We talk about partnership quite a bit at Visicon. Partnership's actually one of our 3 company pillars. But what does it really mean? What value does that bring to our customers? So we've got our product partners, your Cognex, your MechMind, your Dobot, Part X feeders, things like that, the products that we offer, smart vision lights, TPL, all those kind of things. But where we really bring value to solving customers' problems is the external partnerships, the people that we bring in when our skill set will only go so far and we need to add complementary skills to that in order to get a customer the full solution that they're looking for. So imagine this, you print best before dates on your production line. So you contact us because you want a camera system that's going to check that they are printed correctly. Not a problem. We've been reading best before dates for years. But the first question I always ask is, where's that information coming from? It could be that your operator is going to type that in. They've typed it into the printer, they type it into the camera. That works fine. Not the most robust, but it works fine. It could be that you've got a packing order and it's got a QR code on it and you're going to scan that, the information's held within that, and we're going to update the camera. Again, no problem, we'll take care of that. But some of the time, what a customer wants is they're concentrating on the best before date, but it's really the back end system that they need. They'd like a system that already knows that on line 1, we're running this product. That product, we should set the coders to whatever best before date it is, set the cameras to check that that best before date is A, well printed, and B, the correct information. Well, that's no longer a vision project. Vision's part of it, but that's an MES system. When we get those kind of inquiries, we give a shout out to our friends at Harford Control. Now, Harford have been in the business for over 50 years. Well-established company, they almost invented this MES background system, auto coding. They're a local company, really friendly people, great support, but they've got a global reach. They've got people dotted all over the world. They work with some of the biggest names in manufacturing worldwide. So we know that we and you, our customer, are going to be in safe hands. We'll then pass that on to them. As part and parcel of that solution, you've got some Cognex vision on there, and that comes from ourselves. So they're getting our support rather than us getting their support. But ultimately, what it means is you get both of our support.